Yes, hello friends, Nancy. Today we are going to start a new type of isomerism. We already seen about the chain isomerism, the phenomenon in which molecular formula of compound will be same, but the structure will change due to arrangement of carbon atoms, and that type of isomerism is known as a chain isomerism. Today we have to study about the position isomerism, the isomerism in which yes, molecular formula compound will be same. Carbon chain will also same, but the position of functional group on carbon chain will be different. And as a result, the structure will change. Then finally, we will see the property variation in that compounds. And this type of isomerism is known as a position isomerism. Yes, alkene, alkyne, alkyl halide, alcohol, and amines. These compounds always show the position isomerism. Alkene, non-cyclic alkene. It is far better to say non-cyclic alkene. Alkene may be classified in two types, cyclic and non-cyclic. But non-cyclic की बात कर रहे हैं हम. Otherwise, the given formula which follows the CnH twice n, otherwise CnH twice n minus 2, otherwise CnH twice n plus 1 into X, CnH twice n plus 1 into OH. Otherwise, you can say CnH twice n plus 2 into O, CnH twice n plus 1 into NH2. Otherwise, 2 hydrogen is to be merged with hydrogen. Finally, our formula, general formula will becomes CnH twice n plus 3 into N. This type of general formulas, the compound possess this type of general formulas shows the position isomerism. Suppose C4H8, हमें कार्बन को पकड़ो, कार्बन 4 कार्बन 1, 2, 3 and 4. डबल बॉन्ड फर्स्ट और सेकंड के बीच भी हो सकता है, डबल बॉन्ड सेकंड और थर्ड के बीच हो सकता है, थर्ड फोर्थ के बीच करोगे तो यही हो जाएगा. दिस रिमेनिंग वैलेंसी इज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय हाइड्रोजन. तो दिस इज ब्यूट 1 इन, दिस इज ब्यूट 2 इन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, both compound possess 4 carbon and 8 hydrogens. But the property of both carbon is quite different. दोनों की molecular formula same है, carbon chain भी same है, but the position of double bond is quite different. In case of non-cyclic alkyne, C4H6, this formula, yes, this formula follows दिस जनरल फार्मूला. 4 कार्बन की चेन लिख दो, इसके बाद फर्स्ट और सेकंड के भी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रख दो, सेकंड और थर्ड के भी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रख दो. रिमेनिंग वैलेंसी इज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय हाइड्रोजन. तब और कंपाउंड बनेंगे ये. बोथ कंपाउंड possess 4 हाइड्रोजन, both compound possess 4 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay. This is the name of this compound is but1-ine, and the name of this compound is known as a but2-ine. दोनों की molecular formula same है. Carbon chain is also same, but the position, triple bond is the functional group. Position of triple bond is between first and second. In this case, second and third. That's why both are known as a position isomers. In alkyl halide compounds, CnH twice n plus 1. What is the general formula of alkyl group? CnH twice n plus 1 into X. X may be equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. A C3H7Cl, this फॉर्मूला इनके इसको फॉलो करता है। सपोज 3 कार्बन ले लो, 1 2 and 3 है। 1 हेलोजन को फर्स्ट कार्बन के साथ लगा दो, सेकंड हेलो यस दूसरे में हेलोजन के साथ सेकंड कार्बन पे अटैच करो। या CH3 CH2 CH2, यहाँ CH3 CHN सॉरी CH3, ये हो गया। The name of this compound is 1-chloropropane. IUPAC name is normal. Yes, primary propyl chloride. This is 2-chloropropane. Common name is secondary propyl chloride. Both compound possess 3 carbon, 7 hydrogen and 1 Cl. Molecular formula is same. In both compound, carbon chain is also same. Here functional group is chlorine, but position of functional group Cl is on first carbon, yeah, Cl is on second carbon. That's why these both compounds are known as a position isomers. In alcohol compounds, alcohols also show the position isomerism. CnH twice n plus 1 into H, otherwise CnH twice n plus 2 into O. N वैल्यू 3 ले लो, C3H8O। 1 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ सिंगल फर्स्ट कार्बन के साथ हैंग करो, सेकंड कार्बन के साथ हैंग करो। Now you see carbon form possess tetravalency property and oxygen possess divalency property. ऑक्सीजन का 2 बॉन्ड बना लेके हाइड्रोजन यहाँ रख दो, यहाँ हाइड्रोजन रख दो। कार्बन की यहाँ CH3 CH2 CH2OH, यहाँ CH3 CHOH CH3, ये मिल गया। You calculate the carbon and hydrogen and oxygen 1 2 3 1 2 3, both compound possess 3 carbon atoms. Hydrogen 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 3 3 6 7 and 8, and 1 oxygen in both compound. This both compound possess same molecular formula, same carbon chain, but the position here but here functional group is OH, hydroxy group. OH in this compound, position of OH group is on first carbon, whereas in this compound position of OH on second carbon. That's why this is known as a prop 1 all. This is known as a prop 2 all. Yes, amine compounds also shows the position isomerism. Its general formula is CnH twice n plus 1 into NH2. Yes, 2 hydrogen of Na2 group is to be merged with CH twice n plus 1. Then its formula will become CnH twice n plus 3 into N. N value 3 ले लो. It will become C3H9N. 3 carbon ले लो, 1 2 3, फर्स्ट कार्बन के साथ नाइट्रोजन अटैच करो, सेकंड कार्बन के साथ भी नाइट्रोजन अटैच करो। नाउ कार्बन possess tetravalency property whereas नाइट्रोजन possess trivalency property। तो नाइट्रोजन का 3 बॉन्ड बना लेके यहाँ 2 हाइड्रोजन लगा दो। कार्बन के रिमेनिंग वैलेंसी इज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय हाइड्रोजन एटम, तो बनेगा CH3 CH2 CH2NH2। सेकेंड फार्मूला विल बिकम CH3 CH Na2 CH3। इन बोथ कंपाउंड कार्बन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम 3 है, नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन 9 है और 1 नाइट्रोजन है, बट हियर फंक्शनल ग्रुप NH2, दैट्स व्हाई यस in first compound position of NH2 is on first carbon, in second compound position of NH2 group is on second carbon. That's why both compounds are known as a functional group isomers. In this compounds also molecular formula same है, carbon chain भी same है, but the position of NH2 group या functional group is quite different. That's why these are known as a functional group isomers. Okay बाबू, yes, can we complete here? Yes, नई एक isomerism लेंगे functional group next time. Okay, see you. Thank you very much.